Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung naging experience namin sa immigration medical examination as required by the Government of Canada para sa visa application ng student permit, open work permit, and temporary resident visa. Isa-isahin din natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga medical exam na gagawin mo as required by the Canadian government, saan ka magpapa-medical at magkano ang kailangan mong bayaran at ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin kung meron kang tattoo. Disclaimer, I am not in any way connected or related to the IRCC or sa mga medical clinics na babanggit ko sa video na to. Lahat ng sasabihin ko ay based on my research and my personal experience. So background lang, nag-lodge kami ng visa namin March 3, 2023. Yung husband ko yung main applicant. Siya yung naka-study permit and kami naman dependents niya. Ako naka-open work permit at yung anak namin naka-temporary resident visa. April 14 naman nung na-approve yung mga visa applications namin. So after namin makapag-secure ng letter of acceptance and makapagbayad ng first semester tuition fee, ang sunod namang inasikaso namin ang medical examination. So we decided na unahin ang medical exam, medical requirement, kahit wala pa kaming request from the IRCC. Hence the term upfront. For 0 to 4 years old, sa mga TRB dependents nito, physical examination lang ang kailangan nila. For 5 to 10 years old na dependents, kailangan nila ng physical examination and urinalysis. For 11 to 14 years old naman, may kasama ng chest x-ray. And for 15 years old and above, yan kasama na tayo dyan. Kailangan natin mag-undergo ng physical examination, urinalysis, chest x-ray, HIV test, syphilis, serum creatinine test. So question, bawal ba ang may tattoo at may piercings? The straight answer is pwede. So pwede po yung may mga tattoos like me. May mga questions lang yung panel physician about your tattoo, like gaano na siya katagal, saan mo pinagawa, and saang body parts nakalagay yung tattoo. In our case, nag-request yung panel physician namin ng test for hepatitis since meron kami malalaking tattoo in different body parts. Plus pa na may piercings kami pareho. So depende sa size ng tattoo mo, may mga instances na hindi ka na i-require ng panel physician na magpa-HEPA test. So it will all depend sa panel physician na mag-check sa inyo. So saan ka ba magpapa-medical exam and paano mo malalaman if yung health clinic is authorized by the IRCC to perform medical examination for your visa application? Ang Government of Canada ay merong list of accredited panel physician kung saan ka lang pwedeng magpa-medical exam. Merong mga health clinics in Baguio, Cebu, Davao, Makati, and Manila. So dito sa website na ito nyo makikita yung mga IRCC accredited panel physicians, and dyan nyo na din makikita ang mga contact number, email, and clinic address. To give you guys an idea, here is the table of the medical examination fees per clinic per age group. Since nasa NCR kami, 3 clinics ang option namin. St. Luke's, Nationwide Health Systems, at IOM Manila Health Center. Since budget is our concern, kasi 3 kami sa family na mag-undergo ng medical exam, kinumpare muna namin kung magkano ang medical examination fee of each clinic. And based on my research, ito yung mga rates nila as of January 2023. So better i-check nyo na lang din sa mismong medical clinic, baka meron nang nagbago sa mga rates. Since pinakamura sa 3 ang IOM, doon na kami nag-proceed magpa-medical exam. At dahil may tattoo kami, nagpa-test pa kami sa hepatitis as requested by our panel physician, and nagbayad kami ng additional 1,750 pesos each. So minsan, nag-order din si panel physician ng other test pa depending on your existing or past health condition. Responsive ang IOM Clinic sa mga email inquiries. Nagpa-schedule ako ng appointment sa kanila via email lang. January 6 ako nag-email sa kanila. A problem lang was malayo na yung date na may available slot. January 30 na yung nakuha namin. Kaya mas okay din na mag-upfront medical kasi need mo din i-consider yung mga availability ng health clinics. Baka matagal na yung slot na maibigay nila sa'yo. Bago kayo pumunta sa IOM Clinic, may mga few things lang na dapat i-take note. Kailangan mo munang makapag-secure ng appointment sa kanila kasi hindi sila nag-accept ng walk-ins. Ito yung official email address nila. Just send them an email and responsive naman sila. Dapat meron kang email confirmation ng appointment nyo prior to your visit. Come at your exact appointment time, but you may also arrive 10 minutes prior your schedule. If kailangan mo ng special assistance, pwede kang magsama ng companion. Bring cash kasi they only accept cash payment. And mag-prepare na din kayo ng extra cash for additional tests kung sakali. Like sa amin kasi nagbayad kami ng additional pa for HEPA testing because we have that. So, it's better na may ready kayong cash. Bibigyan nila kayo ng checklist of requirements in the email. So, nandun yung consent forms, yung mga declaration forms, and checklist. Personally, for me, mas maganda din na binibigay na nila yung mga forms in advance kasi hindi ka nagmamadaling mag-fill out pagdating mo dun sa clinic. Tapos, it minimizes pa the mistake in filling out forms kasi nga, mahaba pa yung time mo to prepare. And mas mapapabilis yung process since diretso submit na agad pagdating mo sa clinic nila versus dun ka pa mag-fill out. Bring your own pen. Bringing outside food is highly discouraged. Pero if meron ka namang mga certain medical conditions that will require you to eat for a specific period of time, inform nyo lang yung IOM staff to assist you. Nung nagpunta kami, medyo threat pa yung COVID virus, so naka-face mask pa kami. And then, syempre, health and safety protocols, practice good hygiene, and maintain physical distancing. Here are the list of requirements for your medical appointment. The medical report form, IMM 1017E, makukuha nyo to from the IRCC. This form requires the client to undergo a medical exam. Since we opted to proceed with an upfront medical examination before submitting our visa application, wala na kaming medical report form. For applicants who are undergoing upfront medical exam, for those who have not received the medical report form, IOM will issue a document generated from the eMedical electronic system as proof that you have complied with the medical requirements. Then valid passport and photocopy of the bio page, 2 government-issued identification, and 1 photocopy of each ID. So examples niyan, pwede nyo dalhin yung voter's ID, PRC, driver's license, SS or GSIS UMID card, or national ID. 1 ID is for the clinic and the other ID is for the building security at the ground floor upon entrance. Then your vaccination records. For minor applicant, bring your PSA birth certificate and if available, dalhin nyo na rin yung school ID niya for the current school year. Dalhin nyo rin yung mga medical records nyo if you have significant medical history or if you are undergoing treatment. If you are wearing eyeglasses, bring that also. And hindi kailangan mag-fasting and wala din kailangang dalhin specimen samples. Prior to taking a chest x-ray, it is highly recommended that you consult with your obstetrician who is in the best position to give you advice on your individual medical status. All pregnant clients, after being counseled by the physician, can decide on either of these 2 options. You can continue the chest x-ray examination with double shielding. Papipirmahin ka lang nila ng pregnancy waiver for that. Or, ide-defer yung chest x-ray due to pregnancy. Here, your medical exam will be placed on hold and will only be finalized until the chest x-ray is done. The IOM Manila Health Center is located at 15th floor, Trafalgar Plaza, HB de la Costa Street, Salcedo Village, Magkano. Nearest landmark, BDO Twin Tower, beside BDO parking space. Ang nearest train station naman, MRT Buendia. Ang nearest PNR station is Buendia. Nearest LRT station is LRT Hilpuyat Station. Yung naging process namin, dumating kami sa building before 10 o'clock a.m. Nag-login kami sa may lobby area and then elevator papunta sa mismong clinic. And upon entry sa mismong clinic, ipapaready ng guard lahat ng requirements. Bibigyan ka ng queue or stub number. And then, ite-temperature check ka sa may triage. So, pagpasok sa clinic, pila for profile entry for picture taking. So, kukunin ng assigned personnel yung mga documents na prepare mo. Sa picture taking, kailangan remove your eyeglasses, jewelries, and dapat walang sagabal sa mukha. So, nakalabas dapat yung tenga. Then, yung unang procedure na ginawa namin ay urine testing. After that, interview. So, tinanong yung mga medication, medical history, tinanong kung kailan yung last menstruation ko, chinek lang if hindi ako buntis, and yung height, weight, BP, and nag-eye test din. Then nag-x-ray na kami. Sunod naman yung blood test. And then next naman ay physical exam. So pinagpalit kami ng hospital gown, tanggal lahat, undies lang yung may iwan. So chinek yung mga body parts, tinest din yung ability mo to follow instructions. And then si baby, tinanong if na-hospital na po siya. So after mo ma-complete lahat ng mga test, bibigyan ka nila ng eMedical information sheet as proof of your immigration medical exam. And since naka-upfront medical status tayo, isasama natin yung eMedical information sheet na yon when we submit our visa application. The medical result will be directly submitted to the IRCC within 10 working days and will be further assessed by the IRCC. Bago i-submit ni panel physician yung medical result mo sa IRCC, we make sure naman muna nila na clear yung medical records mo. In our case, may mga additional laboratory tests pa na pinagawa sa husband ko kasi it turned out na slightly elevated yung liver function test niya. So, kinumpleto muna namin lahat yon and nung na-clear na siya, nag-lodge na kami ng visa application noong March 3. Then March 11, nag-reflect sa account namin na we all passed the medical exam. Personal advice bago kayo pumunta sa appointment nyo, get enough sleep and hydrate yourself by drinking plenty of water. Mas maganda na nakakondisyon yung katawan nyo sa araw ng medical exam. Then, do not forget to bring all your medical records. So, kung meron kang proof of treatment, just in case na hanapin sa'yo, then you have it ready with you. Then, syempre, be honest when disclosing your medical history. Chances are, alam na din naman talaga nila ng mga panel physician na check sa inyo yung mga cases nyo. And they just want to confirm by asking questions. And lalabas din naman yan sa mga tests na ipapagawa nila. So, mas maganda na maging honest na lang rather than, getting in trouble because of not telling the truth. So, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please support my channel by liking and sharing this video. Type in your questions and comments down below if meron. And mag-subscribe na rin kayo for more videos about our application process in getting a student visa. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye!